Hi guys. I didn't realize you guys were serious when you said you wanted to see parts of my RV life on this channel. This video will be on this channel, but it's also going to be on Pete and Kat's RV Life. And I'm sorry, but my COPD is kicking in big time. It's cold here, so I decided I'm going to make one of my childhood favorites today in RV. And it is what my mother called poverty stew, or poor man's stew. You make it with hamburger. I have 90% lean sirloin, but you can make it with hamburger. And you just put it in your pot. And I am using the pot for this because that's what I cook with mostly here in the RV. So we have that. We have 2 medium onions diced up or cut up. I don't really get fancy with my cuts. And I have my minced garlic. You can do without the garlic if you want to. We don't salt our food. And I pepper my food on my plate because I care for more pepper than Pete does. So, well, let's see. I want to put this on saute and let it start kicking up some heat here. Cut my meat up some. I use the New Wave cooktops and this Pro Pot mostly for cooking here. So we'll let this sit here and start to saute, and I'll speed it up when it gets to that point so you guys don't have to sit and watch it the whole time. And excuse the background, like I said, I'm in the RV and we have limited space in here. I don't know why it's not kicking up yet. Alright, just hang on, it's going to do it, I swear. And guys, my hands are clean. I bought some Stays On black ink yesterday. And I don't know why, but it was juicy. And it's everywhere. And as you all know, with Stays On, it's kind of hard to get it off. It does stay on. So I need to let that nail grow out a little bit more. And cut it off to get rid of it. So let this cook a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to cut this off. Drain this 90% fat-free sirloin. It's kind of juicy. And be right back. Okay, we're well drained. We'll put the meat mixture back in. And I am going to teach you something that you didn't know about me today. I am a potato snob. Sorry. Have the two-way radio going off right now. We're tied to the ranger station because Pete's volunteering. Now, I don't know what makes the difference, but it does. My mom said you always had to use Hunt's ketchup, and this is where the hobo part comes in. I've tried, now my oldest brother and I both are Del Monte ketchup. I mean, all the way. But it doesn't work with this. It doesn't taste the same. So I buy Hunt's when I want to make this. And to me, this is just comfort food, I guess, from my childhood. So I put 1 cup of ketchup and 1 cup of water. Mix them together well. Get the rest of it out of here. So it's going to be maybe a little bit over a cup of water. Just to get the rest of it out of the bottom. Put those in there. Now, for my potato story. In soups and stews, I like these small baby yellow, I think they're called Yukon Gold potatoes. The Winn-Dixie here didn't have them, so I went with my substitute for soups and stews, which is the baby reds. And then we'll add that. So you have 4 ingredients. Let's see, you got the hamburger, onions, ketchup, potatoes, water, you know. So put them all in there, mix them up well. Yeah, I know, it doesn't look good. Trust me on this, it tastes good. I'm going to put it back on the pot. And I'm going to put my setting to, I'm going to do super stew. I'm going to go stew because it has a meat in it. And we'll just let it set here. And if I can remember, I will show you when it's done if I don't wolf it all up first. Okay, we'll see in a bit. Smells so good. You're just going to take my word for it. It really is better than it looks. It's a little thin, so I'm going to let it cook down some more. And I may add more ketchup to it. Okay, she's done. I like it a little thicker, but you can always add more ketchup to it if you want to make it thicker. It turned out a little greasy because of that meat I used this time, but apparently was not 90% fat-free. Even though the label said it was. Who knew? But it's good. It really is. I mean, it's nice on a cold winter's day, which Florida is getting them now. With some hot butter bread. It's just great. Try it. I bet you like it. Okay, guys. Here's my pro pot cooking tip. 1-pot meal for you. As promised. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.